Hi everyone, we're going to paste beautiful floral fabric using double-sided tape. Now we are going to cover it using this jute rope and paste sticks around it using hot glue gun. After this, we are going to braid this beautiful purple thread around it. We are doing it in various ways, like in a twisted manner and then leaving one stick and start covering it. We're also putting this white pearls for more decoration. Cut the top part and again we're going to paste this white thread around it. Here we are making a beautiful tissue paper box. So cut the lid like this, make a hole at the center, cover the lid as well using the beautiful fabric like this, cut the center part and fix it as well like this. Give a neat look to the box. After this, we are going to add the handles and paste all of them together. We are also putting this beautiful lace for more decoration, and look, your tissue paper box is ready. Finally, you can put your tissues inside it. Cut a circle and cover it using this beautiful fabric. Cover the base as well. Now paste sticks around it using hot glue gun like we are doing here. In this video, we are going to make pen stands. So we are going to cover this with this beautiful white rope. Cover it till the top like this using hot glue gun. Cut the extra sticks like we are doing here. After this, we are adding more details, like we are putting this rope around it like this. Cut it and cover it using this beautiful fabric and paste lace around it like this. Cover it with more pearl lace and look, it is ready. Paste double-sided tape on this large glass and cover it using this white thread. After this, we are going to make beautiful flowers. So paste small pieces of fabric, untangle all the threads using comb, and look, your beautiful sunflower flower pot is ready. Take a tin, paste double-sided tape and cover it using this beautiful white thread. You can also use jute rope in place of this. After this, we are going to cut this paper. Cut this beautiful butterfly print paper and paste it on the top of it. Here we are going to use glue and trace it like this, and look, your flower pot is ready. We are going to bend this wire and paste it on the top of this plastic cup. Cover it using jute rope like this. Here we are going to make a flower pot. So we are going to give this beautiful pattern using thread. Roll it around the sticks like this. So we'll get this pattern, and look, your flower pot is done. Now cut the extra parts, paste the lace, and it is ready. Take this green stick and cover it using this jute rope. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now we are going to cover it more using this jute rope. Bend it. We are going to make toilet paper roll stand, and look, it is ready. Cut this circle from cardboard. Make 2 circles and paste sticks around it. Bend all the sticks. We are going to make a basket. So cover it using this jute rope. Paste handle and lace around it. Paste a beautiful bow, and look, your basket is ready. Cut this plastic bottle into half, make small pieces of bamboo sticks and cover it around it. Paste it using hot glue gun. We're also putting this jute rope around it for more decoration. Fill it with water and put your money plant inside it. Thank you so much for watching this video.